ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, language model that is fine-tuned for conversational text generation tasks. It is designed to generate human-like responses in a chat or conversation setting, making it well-suited for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and conversational agents. One of the key capabilities of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to natural language input. This is made possible by the fact that the model is trained on a large dataset of conversational text, such as dialogues from online forums, movie scripts, and other sources. By fine-tuning the pre-trained GPT model on conversational text, ChatGPT is able to generate text that is more appropriate and coherent for a given conversational context. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of applications, including but not limited to chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to generate human-like responses in a chatbot setting, allowing businesses to automate customer support, sales, and other interactions. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used to build virtual assistants that can understand and respond to natural language input, helping users with tasks such as scheduling, emailing, and more. Content generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate conversational text for a wide range of applications, such as chatbot scenarios, movie scripts, and more. The way ChatGPT works is by using the transformer architecture, which introduced the attention mechanism, allowing the model to pay attention to specific parts of the input when generating text. This allows the model to understand the context of a conversation and generate responses that are more appropriate and coherent. To use ChatGPT for a particular task, the model is fine-tuned on a dataset specific to that task. For example, if you wanted to use ChatGPT to build a chatbot for customer support, you would fine-tune the model on a dataset of customer support conversations. This fine-tuning process allows the model to learn the specific language and context of the task, which improves the quality of the generated text. Another important aspect to consider is the possibility of controlling and fine-tuning the temperature of the model. Temperature is a value that controls the level of randomness in the generated text, making it possible to generate text that is more or less coherent depending on the application. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating conversational text, making it well-suited for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and conversational agents. Its ability to understand and respond to natural language input, and ability to be fine-tuned to specific tasks make it highly versatile, and an important technology in the field of AI and NLP.